I'm going to give you a quick how-to for SheetCode. This is just a site area. This is an example project we give you along with SheetCode. Right now we have a boundary area. These could be represented as buildings or just site locations. These are just roadway intersection. And this one right here could be just like a river coming through the site. Um, let's open up SheetCode. In the top left, you click the button. We already have you need to make sure you have a template sheet like you'd have set up, like the page size you want, where you want the max viewport area to be, and what scale you want the enlargement sheets to be at. Then also have a north arrow wherever you want and the sheet number. So we're going to be on the sheet layout template we want. We say pick layout template. We're doing an area like a site. We're going to click boundary. This is the area we want to show up on sheets. We want to say a locked area is an area that you don't want broken up by a match line area, like a sheets be broken up. You want to actually have this full site or this locked area on one sheet. So I'm going to click this right here. Custom match line, this is the river, like you want the river to be the edge of these sheets and it breaks up the sheets. So I'm going to click that. Then I'm going to pick sheet number on title block. Pick key map area. So I'm going to say right about there and then build. All right, now you can see that has an overall sheet, which you can turn on and off in advanced if you want to create that or not right here. Sheet 9 is on one sheet. That's great. The custom match line is breaking up the sheets, which is great. Let's go look at sheet 9. You see it created all these layout tabs down below. It has an offset where you can see it labels the C sheet 4 on all the surrounding sheets. The key map shows this is what we're looking at, sheet 9, and sheet 9 has been updated. That is sheet code for the site area.